Okay, taping. You on air that.
I'm fucking high, I'm fucking drunk, and I'm driving a McDonald's drive-thru. And this is what we're fucking doing at 2 a.m. in the morning. Some dumb shit. Yo, I gotta wake up in 8 hours to set up my fucking party tonight. Got some live DJs, some live bitches. Thanks a lot, bro.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy. This guy just combed it. He grabbed the fucking. He combed that shit. He threw it out. Why you doing now, son?
He threw that
Did you
shit.
finish that shit?
He threw it out?
Yeah, don't do that, man. Look at this man. Can I laugh properly?
That guy looked pissed off, man.
Did he?
Yo, I want my ice cream back.